Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It is Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. It is 3:01 and 47 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, economics, and Mother Nature. So let's hop to it here. Investing in nature improves equity, boosts economy. Date June 26, 2023. Source, University of Minnesota. A new study shows that current trends in environmental degradation will lead to large economic losses in the coming decades, hitting the poorest countries hardest. But there is hope. Investing in nature can turn those losses into gains. The team developed a first-of-its-kind global Earth economy model to capture interactions between the economy and the environment. As crucially, these interactions include how nature benefits humans by pollinating crops, providing timber, storing carbon, and providing catch for marine fisheries, and how those benefits end up affecting the economy overall. Investing in nature does not stifle the economy. It boosts the economy, but has been difficult to model those interactions until recently. The policy options for investing in nature resulted in annual gains of 100 to 350 billion, 2014 USD, with the largest percentage increases in gross domestic product occurring in low-income countries. The policy options examined in this study include removing agricultural subsidies, financing research into improving crop yields, and international payments from wealthy countries to poorer countries to support conservation. As continued trends in environmental degradation, on the other hand, would result in 75 billion losses annually, with low-income countries suffering from 0.2% losses in gross domestic product year on year. The global trade analysis product and invest are both widely used across the world by governments, non-government organizations, and the private sector, but putting them together was a significant undertaking, as this new study required a detailed understanding of how and where land use patterns change as a result of economic activity, with enough spatial detail to understand environmental consequences of these changes. It is a huge achievement. The results from this research highlight how public goods and services provided by the environment are often most important for the world's poorest, who have less access to alternative options when the environment is degraded. And consequently, investing in nature tends to make the world a more equitable place. The research only looks at a small subset of the ways in which the economy and the environment interact, nevertheless, finding expectantly large effects. Of course, nature provides much more than pollinators, timber, carbon, and fish. The future will incorporate many more ecosystem services, leading to much more informed decision-making. And this is just the beginning. I hope to make this kind of analysis a standard tool in the policymaker's toolbox. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.